These are the top 5 work from home side hustles to make $500 a day with little to no experience, and each one progressively makes you more money as the video goes on, starting with this side hustle that can make you a few $100s to a few thousand in just a few seconds. This probably sounds like a scam, which is why you can't do it consistently. If you're still confused, every year there's over $58 billion worth of unclaimed money in the US alone, and your state's Treasury Department wants to give it back to you. All you have to do is search your name and your location. Let me know if you find any free money after this video. I found my dad $50 on missingmoney.com. But this is just a warm-up, since this next online side hustle is an actual side hustle. This next side hustle can pay you anywhere between a couple hundred to a few $100s per day. And the best part is, almost anyone can do this since you don't need much skill. It's an online marketplace that consists of transcription, captioning, subtitle, translation services, and more. And all you have to do is type in rev.com/freelancers and then fill out this information and choose what position you want. But just keep in mind, the longer you stay on the platform, the more access to jobs Rev gives you, so you probably won't be making a few $100s per day to start. And also, people have been leaving reviews noting it's tedious work, and sometimes the audio files are indecipherable, making the next side hustle on this list even better. This next side hustle is one of the easiest free ways to make some passive income, and I personally did it to make tens of thousands of dollars. If you're living in a 3x3 foot cubic room, you obviously don't have much storage. So people will pay you to rent out your backyard, driveway, spare closet, or even your attic or basement to store anything from boxes, cars, or maybe dead bodies. Probably not the last one actually, but I did something similar in college with real estate, where I rented out a portion of my property, which made me an extra $1,000 a month every month for almost no work. The site is called Neighbor.com, and all you have to do is create an account by clicking Become a Host at the top right and then list your space. That's basically it. You can make anywhere between $50 to several $100s every month, depending on what you rent out. It's definitely not bad for not having to do much, but it's nothing compared to these next two side hustles. This next online side hustle can make you anywhere between $100 to $750 an hour, and all you need is knowledge. You have to have some sort of specific knowledge that other people are willing to pay for, whether you're an accountant, a mechanic, or know how to hide dead bodies. This isn't just one of those janky survey websites either. Companies like Microsoft and Intuit use it for honest feedback and with a variety of different survey options. All you have to do is sign up, preferably with a LinkedIn account, to show your portfolio and what your experience is, since they can smell BS that would disqualify you. Then just make sure to fill out screeners ASAP, since surveys are hot, and set calendar reminders, since the site Respondent.io won't notify you of reminders or opportunities. Unless you already have some specific knowledge or experience, this might be hard, which is why this next one truly is the best. This 28-year-old went from making $36,000 to $378,000 per year in her pajamas from this online side hustle. And it's something anyone can start, since the only skills you need are to be able to pass high school English class. Immediately disqualified. And the best part is you can create your own schedule and work for anyone you want, whether it's for companies, publishers, YouTubers, or building your own clientele by using websites like Upwork and Fiverr. This is freelance writing, and while on average people are making about $50,000 to $80,000 per year, after grinding for 10 and 12-hour days, she was upgraded to Fiverr Pro and went from charging $15 per writing to charging $1,000 for 10,000-word ebooks. Her advice is give every client an all-star experience. It's also essential to market yourself widely and give the best work you can. The best way to make a lot of money is just to go out there and take action. But if you didn't like any of these, you can watch this video next on even more side hustle options.